Hey there. In this video, I'll show you how to create a SharePoint team site step by step. First, head to office.com and sign in with your Microsoft 365 credentials. On the home page, click the app launcher icon in the top left corner. That's the waffle icon with 9 dots. Then select SharePoint from the list. If you don't see it right away, click More Apps or use the search field. Once SharePoint loads, look for the Build button in the app bar and click it. Scroll down to the Start Building section and click the Site card. A pop-up appears with site type options. Select Team Site. The template browser opens for a general team site. Pick the standard team template. Click on it to see the preview, then click Use Template at the bottom right. Type a name for your team site in the Site Name field. As you type, SharePoint checks if the name's available. A Microsoft 365 group email will be created with the same name automatically. Add a site description. This field is optional, but it's good practice to explain what the site is for. If your organization has sensitivity labels enabled, you'll see a drop-down to select one. If you don't see this field, it's not enabled in every organization. Set your privacy settings. You've got two options: public, which means anyone in your organization can access the site, or private, which restricts access to members only. If you're not sure, go with private. You can change it later. If your admin has enabled site classification, you'll see a drop-down for that. Choose the classification that matches your site's purpose. Select a language for your site from the language drop-down. English is the default. Important note, once you pick a language and create the site, you can't change it later, so choose carefully. Click the Create Site button at the bottom. While it's provisioning, you might see a screen where you can add members and owners. Type in names or email addresses if you want to add people now, or just click Finish to skip this step. You can always add members later. You're automatically added as a site owner. Click Go to Site. Your new team, Site Home page loads. When you create a team site, a Microsoft 365 group is created automatically behind the scenes. That gives you a shared mailbox, calendar, OneNote notebook, and planner board, all linked to the site. You can start customizing your site by clicking Edit in the top right corner, and if you skipped adding members earlier, you can add them anytime through the site settings. The site will also appear in your list of followed sites in SharePoint, so you can find it easily. And that's how to create a SharePoint team site. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. See you in the next one.